Hello and welcome back everyone. In this VBA and SharePoint video series, we have come to the part where you can use this in MS Access as well. So I have just copied the code that we have written to update the item in Excel, right? So I've just copied the same code to MS Access. This is the one where we increment $100 for the fields budget and actual for the division Japan, right? So my point is you can use the same code because that code is not specific to any application. You can use this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run this code, which I copied from MS Excel, from MS Access. For now, let me just go ahead and close this Excel. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my Access database and then just gonna run this code. It's done. So refresh, and it has increased. So basically I just want to confirm that this code can be used across application. You can use this in Word, you can use this in Outlook, you can use it in your VB. If you're familiar with VB scripting and all this, you can use this in all of these applications and programs platform. Okay, so one more thing, I want to show you how to link this list to your MS Access using VBA today in this video. So let me just go ahead and just added this code. So this is the arguments that you need to pass. Basically that is just simply, I just copied it from here. This is do command transfer SharePoint list method that you can use, and these are all the things that you need to pass. And I have just put in together most of them. So here, this is the transfer type will be, I want to link it. So this is AC link SharePoint list, and then the next one is the site address. This is our SharePoint site, and then the next one is the list ID. If you remember, in our last video we took out we export to Excel, and then we took the view, the list name, and then the view GUID, right? So I've just copied this and I have updated the list ID and view ID, this one and this respectively. Okay, and then this is where I put in my list name, sorry, the view name. So you can find the view name from here. So this is view name. So if you're using another view, you will specify that in the code. So let's go ahead and try to run this. So what I'm expecting is I'm expecting this code to create a connection and link this particular view all items to my Access database, and then we should be able to make changes to that to the SharePoint list from Access database. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run this code. Right, so you can see this is automatically added here and updated. Let's see if this is editable. Japan test update. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, just give me 1 second. There must be some validation that is already applied there. I'm just putting some random text to see if it works. Right, so I've just updated this. Let me go back to my SharePoint and refresh this. Okay, so you can see that the list that was imported was in edit mode. So now since you have this SharePoint list here as editable, you can create query, you can create forms, you can do all sorts of things. You can manipulate them, you can do data entry from here as well. In our future videos we'll try to go more into it, but this is a very simple way of linking SharePoint list to your MS Access. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel and enjoy the videos. Thank you. Bye bye.